With regards to the arrest and investigation of Shri Bernard N. Marak by the state police, Dr. Mukul Sangma said, the law should be allowed to take its own course. He also said, every citizen should fear the law. It will be wrong for any leader of a political party to point a finger as political vendetta when the agency of the state is investigating on any substantial evidence.
See, in as far as law is concerned, everybody must fear the law. I always used to share this particular stand, which should be the stand of everybody. Nobody is afraid of anybody. We should not fear any individual, but we should fear the law. Why should anybody fear the law? Because law has its own course, and we always refer that law has long hands. And the law of the land must prevail to create a strong deterrence for any perpetrators or those who have the tendency to participate or associate themselves with any of the perpetrators of any crime. Now here, if we go by what are the available inputs being shared by the law enforcing agency, I think the overall course of the case will indicate as to whether it was a vendetta or otherwise. We'll have to allow the law to take its own course, but at the same time, it will be unfair for anybody to jump to a conclusion even before allowing the law to take its own course. But I would like to be very candid on this, that if BJP and NPP, they are having a stand, and then the stand is being countered by the other political, but they are in the same government. And rather than telling the people or rather in engaging in those activities to which amounts to playing to the gallery, I think they must look at what exactly has happened, because they are in the government. They should find out what exactly has happened, whether it is the BJP or the individual leaders of the party. Let them find out what exactly is happening, and then let the people of the state be assured that any law enforcing agency cannot be misused and will not be misused.